show you how to do the Steve Martin. Okay? First thing I want you guys to do is concentrate on just the legs. Okay? And this comes with just a bounce. That's it. Bounce, bounce. On the beat, we're bending our knees and sitting down. I got the side view, Erickson's got the front view. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Now let's try this. One leg front, let's try the right leg in the front, left leg back. Okay? Try again. We're just gonna bounce. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, as we do this one, notice our weight is pretty much 50-50. What I mean by that is 50% of the weight's front, 50% in the back. I want you to alter it. Okay? So we're gonna start leaning on the back. 1, 2, on the 3, 4, I'm gonna lean to the front. Let's give that a try. 5, 6, 7, 8. Back 2, then front 2. Good? Let's try that for 1 8 count. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Okay, guys, we are going to start lifting our legs up because now when we start shifting our weight, we can lift our legs. Okay? So we started with the right leg in front. I'm leaning back. Because I'm leaning back, my weight's back here. That means I can pick up the front leg. Okay? So let's give that a try. Here we go. I'm gonna lean back, weights on the back side. I'm bounce 2 times, bounce, bounce. As I sit, lift up. So the knee's coming up. So what you could do is imagine an invisible drum right on top of your knee. Okay? So 7, 8, you have 1 and 2 and right on the 1 and the 2, you're hitting the drum with your knee. Okay? Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and. Notice on the end, I'm going 1 and 2. And I quickly put my weight to the front. Now we're going to do the same thing with the back leg. 3 and 4 and. And on the 3 and 4, maybe turn to the side this time. Okay? On the 3 and 4, invisible drums right here. He's gonna kick it with his heel. Boom. That's the 3 and 4 in. Alright? So again, Erickson got the front, I got the side. We're gonna start with the 1, leaning back. Notice I'm gonna transition to the front on the 3 and 4. Then the heel's gonna come up. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Notice after the 4 and, immediately I shift my weight back to the back so that I can do it again. Okay, so this time I'm going to go all the way to 8 count. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and. Perfect. All right, guys, we're going to do the same thing, but this time switching legs. Left leg in the front, right leg in the back. Again, we're going to start leaning back. 5, and then let's go 1 8 count. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Perfect. All right, good. So we just finished double. Now we gotta do singles. What do I mean by singles? Okay, here, let's go. Right leg front. I'm gonna lean back, back, then front, then back, then front. That's a single. 5, 6, 7, 8. Back, front, front. Good. We're gonna start picking our legs up. Okay, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Excellent. Let's try it one more time, but this time switch legs. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Perfect. Okay, guys, we are going to show you the transitional part because I think this is probably the most difficult part of the move as we're going one direction and immediately you're going to switch to the other direction. Let's just show you what it looks like. Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. For now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to ask Erickson to be either a wall or a chair, something that's stable that helps me keep my balance. Because a lot of times when you do this move, it's easy to lose balance. Okay. So what I'm going to do is we're going to start with so Erickson's going to stand still. I'm going to use his shoulder as the wall. Okay. 7, 8. I have 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Right on the 4, you see I'm down here. 4 and on the end, I'm going to pivot from the ball of my feet right here. So right at 4, I'm bending down. Right when I straighten up, back up for a second, here's my wall, okay? Here, pivot. Notice my back leg. 4 is here, both knees are bent. Right on the end, both knees are straightening up, boom. Okay, that's my 4, 5. Or that's my end, that's 5. Okay, one more time. So I have 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 right there. That's the 5. Okay? So again, as you guys practice this, I would use maybe something a little bit lower so you can hold on to it. Because as you go from here to here, maybe you want to grab to that side. Alright? So let's try that together. Here we go. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1. Okay? So when you practice, make sure you want to practice the right side as well as the left side. Again, the left side, you're here, and then I'm switching. Remember, I'm pivoting on the ball of my feet and on that end part. And notice how I'm leaning back, right? A lot of my students, when they start, it's like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then see how the body's straight up and down? That look is kind of gone, okay? So what makes us move really cool is the leaning forward in the back. Notice the angle of the body, right? So it's not just here. Notice if we do, let's do this move without leaning forward and back. Watch how it looks. It kind of looks stiff. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It kind of feels ridiculous for us doing that. So again, the key thing is leaning forward. As you lean forward, you notice the angle of the body. And lean back, there's the angle of the body. Okay? So again, that's kind of difficult because when you're here and you switch, you got to hang on to that angle. Okay? So keep practice, guys. I'm sure you're going to get it. Have fun with it. See you on the next move.